Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my homemade remedy.
99 names of Allah.
We're gonna start off by grabbing 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 lemon, a bulb of garlic, and some ginger. We're also gonna use some dates. I then de-pit a handful of them. You are also going to need 1 cup of honey. You're going to chop up your ginger into small pieces. And also do the same with your lemon. And then also take the peels off of your garlic. Now we're just gonna grab a blender and add all of our ingredients in, and we're also gonna add a cup of water. I also add a tablespoon of black seeds. Once you've blended it and taken all the chunks out, this is the desired consistency that you want. And there you have it. This medication helps with colds or coughs and helps with boosting your immune system.
It will help you to get the cold away. You go to school and you will not be sick anymore. Guys, if you like this medicine, don't forget thumbs up, like and share. Thanks for watching. That's it.